How to schedule a Zoom meeting. If you'd like to schedule a Zoom meeting for a future date and time, first go into your Zoom app. From the options on the home screen, select Schedule. In this pop-up, you have all of your meeting details. Under Date, select the date and time for your meeting. If your settings are set that participants require a meeting password to join the meeting, you will see the password listed in the password field. You can change the password to whatever you'd like it to be. But it's important to note for participants dialing in using the phone, a numeric password will be automatically created for the meeting. Under Video, you can select if the host and participants' video will automatically be on or off when they begin the meeting. And under Calendar, you can select what calendar the meeting will be added to. Select Advanced Options to see more options below. The options include enabling a waiting room if participants can't join before the host, or you can choose to allow people to join before the host. You can select to mute participants upon entry. This is perfect for presentations and webinars, so there are no distractions when people are entering. And you can choose to automatically record the meeting on a local computer. Once all your details are set, click Schedule. If you then go under your Meetings tab at the top of your Zoom app, you'll see your scheduled meeting under Upcoming on the left-hand side. If you select the meeting, you can copy the invitation to send out to others, you can edit the details, and you can delete the meeting. And that's how to schedule a Zoom meeting. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.